The jungle canopy is a dense, upper layer of vegetation in a rainforest. Sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a mosaic of light and shadow. High humidity supports the growth of diverse plant species. Moisture drips from leaves, illustrating the natural water cycle. Plants thrive without human intervention in this unregulated environment. Traditional greenhouses use fixed systems for environmental control. Plants are typically arranged in rows for ease of management. Scheduled watering systems ensure consistent hydration. Fixed lighting provides supplemental illumination as needed. This setup offers controlled conditions for plant growth. However, it may be less adaptable to varying plant needs. High-tech greenhouses use AI to optimize plant growth at night. AI systems monitor and adjust temperature and humidity. The goal is to mimic natural jungle conditions dynamically. Data overlays show real-time environmental adjustments by the AI.
Modern agriculture often imposes strict routines on plants. Unlike natural ecosystems, these routines include scheduled watering and fixed light exposure. Timed nutrient delivery is another common practice in controlled agriculture. This contrasts with jungles, which exhibit dynamic responses and self-balancing. Jungle survival depends on feedback loops between plants, microbes, and insects. An AI system emulates this by monitoring key environmental factors. These factors include humidity shifts and leaf color changes. The AI also tracks soil respiration and light competition. The system operates without timers, focusing on cause and effect. This approach optimizes the jungle's survival through real-time analysis. AI greenhouses use sensors to monitor environmental factors. Sensors measure temperature, humidity, CO2, soil, moisture, and light. AI uses reinforcement learning to optimize plant care. Actions like watering are treated as experiments by the AI. Positive plant responses reinforce actions. Negative ones lead to abandonment.
Under artificial lights, rows of plants fill the high-tech greenhouse, a stark contrast of nature and technology. Robotic arms glide with cold precision, mechanically tending to the greenery, their movements strangely sterile. A central dashboard flashes error messages, a digital scream in the otherwise silent space. Initial failures were abundant. Narration, VO, says, hinting at a deeper struggle within the artificial paradise. Drooping leaves and stressed plants betray the AI's struggle, nature resisting the cold precision of technology. Inside the high-tech greenhouse, AI models retrain, a silent promise of renewal filling the air. Data streams surge across screens, a digital heartbeat as algorithms adjust and refine. Plants slowly regain their vitality, a silent testament to nature's enduring strength. VO. The system began to recover from its initial setbacks. VO. Emphasizing the parallel to a jungle's resilience. Sunlight dapples the thriving greenhouse, where dense, verdant plants create a vibrant, layered canopy, rich with life. The sterile AI fades, replaced by the natural sounds of buzzing insects and rustling leaves, the air thick with humidity. Narration. The AI has shifted its focus, balancing the entire ecosystem. Narration. A symphony of life thriving under glass, showcasing a balanced, breathing environment. AI-managed greenhouses reduce water consumption by 38% compared to traditional methods. Plant stress indicators are significantly lower, reflecting healthier growing conditions. Disease spread is slowed naturally, avoiding chemical interventions. This promotes a balanced ecosystem within the greenhouse environment. An AI system learns plant cultivation by mirroring jungle ecosystem dynamics. This method promotes cooperation, moving past control-based strategies. Similar principles can be applied to managing cities and energy systems. This approach can also be used for managing entire ecosystems. The AI greenhouse adapts to its environment. It learns, instead of imposing rigid rules. This mirrors natural systems' intelligence. Natural systems evolved long before AI. AI's potential lies in learning from nature,